You looking to get views like this on your next video? Well, stay tuned because I'm gonna give you the #1 tool to make that happen. What's up, it's your main man, Relly Rose. Welcome back to the channel. This is your first time here. Please do me a favor, hit that wonderful subscribe button. Also, like, share, and comment. Today, I got a great video for you new YouTubers out there. Small YouTubers like myself, I'm still small, but I found the rhythm using one tool. I know everybody think there's a magic button out there, a magic hashtag, or a magic something to get your channel going. Really, it's not all about magic. You gotta learn 3 simple letters, SEO. That's search engine optimization. Now, you're like, how can SEO help me out? Well, fortunately, a company has given us a tool that can make that a lot easier even for us beginners. Myself, I've been on YouTube for a little over a year now, and it did actually take a while for me to start picking up steam on some of my videos and the views. But once I found this tool, it was game over. I knew the battle rhythm, I knew what the algorithm was doing, and I knew how to basically get into the algorithm and get pushed by YouTube. I had no idea that the video that really went for me was going to be that video. I was just putting out content after content and just hoping one day it was gonna happen. But then I ran across this fantastic tool and I decided to apply the measures of that tool to the video, and there it went. And that tool is TubeBuddy. Now, they have a desktop platform that you can use as well as an app. I use the app while I'm on the go, and I use a desktop at home. TubeBuddy has so many things that it can do for you. I'm gonna give you a broad range today, but I will be making more videos going in depth on how to use certain aspects of TubeBuddy. Basically, what TubeBuddy will do is break down all of the categories in the search engine optimization and help you input your information without having to learn how to code anything for videos or any crazy stuff like that. You also have the ability to see how other videos in your niche on YouTube are doing as well. Then you can compare those to what you're doing. You can compare things like hashtags and title. If you find a video that's doing very well on YouTube, look at the title, make one similar to that. Look at the hashtags, use similar hashtags. Now, you wouldn't have that access to see those hashtags like you would without TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy gives you that privilege to be able to see what hashtags each video is using. You also get to see their SEO score. And I'm gonna show you just what it looks like. So this first picture right here is a picture of my couples channel. Now, if you see right there where the arrow is pointing, you see it says Channelytics. Those come from TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is an extension that you can add on to Google Chrome as well as Firefox. Now, in the first column, you see the total for the lifetime as well as 30 days. And moving to the right, you see the views column for those durations. And last, you can see how many videos you uploaded during the lifetime as well as in the last 30 days. So you're looking at those lines, trying to figure out what's going on, but it's a comparison from my personal page and my couples page. So the red line is my couples page and the blue line is my page. You can also select the drop down in order to check out the subscriber difference as well. So just that information alone could really help you out on YouTube, because now you can go to other people that are in your niche and you can check out to see exactly what they're doing, how their numbers are going, and compare them to yours to see what you need to do in order to improve your views, your subscribers, and just your page in total. Right here, what we got is a little bit more juicy information. You like to see subscriber numbers, you like to see total views, you like to see the SEO, and this is it right here. Now, below those numbers is some real good information though. Those numbers speak for themselves, but below that, where it says best practices, that's what you want to focus on. They want to make sure that you've done the key things in order to get your video in the best position possible to go and flow with the YouTube's algorithm. High-end resolution thumbnails, end screen added, info card added. Make sure you share it on Twitter, Facebook, add captions to it, and some things as simple as pinning your own comment as well as hearting a comment. Now, a lot of people wouldn't think that those would do a lot when it comes to the algorithm and putting your video out there so it'll be able to contend during the search. But those are exactly the key things that I check off every time before I upload a video. And I went back with this video that I'm telling you about today, and I redid those things, shot up, crazy view. Now at the bottom, you can see tags. These are all the hashtags that are on that video. Normally, you won't be able to see what type of hashtags people put on their video, but With TubeBuddy, you have the access to see all hashtags used. So if you're making a video about how to cook spaghetti, you go find the top videos, one that's in the top as far as the views. And what you do is look at the hashtag, piggyback the hashtags. And another thing that I want to get into basically in this broad scope is talking about those hashtags, is that when you upload a video and you scroll down, you will see a button that says more options. Okay, TubeBuddy, well, based on what's going on in your video, what you're talking about in your video, based on your title, they will automatically start generating a whole list of hashtags for you. So all you gotta do is look at the ones that are viable for your video, hit them, drop some right in the video. This app is nothing short of amazing when it comes to getting your video rolling in the YouTube algorithm, especially for new YouTubers like myself. Now, back when I had like 50 subscribers, 100 subscribers, this right here really sped my channel's growth up. And as you can see, this video right here is at about 26,000 views right now. That's the best video I have on my page. For a long time, that video was stagnant. I mean, I maybe had 100 views on the video. After I changed those settings and after I went through with TubeBuddy, it shot up and I was averaging probably about 200-300 views a day on that one video. So to kill all of the rumors, there's no magic button, okay? But what TubeBuddy has done is they have made it easy for you. They have simplified things and made it very user-friendly. So the best way to get this TubeBuddy extension, look down in the description below. There's a link for it. Click that link, it will take you directly to the TubeBuddy site. You can download it, and I mean, there's so many videos on YouTube about how to use TubeBuddy. Like I said, I'm gonna be making more. Be going a lot more in depth with how I use TubeBuddy and how it really helps me. And also, we're gonna actually dive into the TubeBuddy app a little bit further on down the playlist of videos that I'm gonna create for this. So if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down in the comments below, and hit me on Instagram at TheRailyRails. However you can get up with me, and I'll answer any questions that you may have. But TubeBuddy is the way to go starting out. And if you're a veteran YouTuber that haven't used TubeBuddy yet, I think it's worth you looking into it, because you may want to go back to some of your old videos and change a couple things, tweak a little things, just to get your videos some more steam. So guys, I just thought I could jump in here and help you new YouTubers out, some of you old YouTubers, with a couple tips and a great app. Like I said, you will not be disappointed by using the TubeBuddy app. It's your main man, Railyrails, always solid, always 100. I'm up out of here.